Hey Glam Dolls, so I am here tonight to actually share with you all this bob style wig I decided to wear for my husband's and I friend Lenny 50th birthday party. And just to make sure that I have his name and his specs and everything else correctly about it, actually I'm gonna read it to you from my phone. So I'm rocking the Brazilian human hair blend wig, and the style name is called MiMi, and it's made of 100% Brazilian human hair blend. It's tangle free, and for some reason it says it's hypoallergenic. But I wanted to share with you what this bob is looking like. So this is what it's looking like from the front. This is it from the side. Go back. The other side and the front, and I'm absolutely loving the bang that is on this bob. Let me tell you, the minute I threw it on, I knew it would definitely fit the outfit that I'm wearing. And speaking of the outfit that I'm wearing, I might as well give you a quick outfit of the night. So this is what I decided to wear for the evening. And that is the dress I decided to wear for the evening. But enough of me babbling. I need to run back upstairs and get my coat so we can head on out of here. So I'll be right back. So dolls, I just wanted to quickly show you what type of coat I decided to wear for the evening. And I'm wearing my female mate full length coat, but what I love about this coat is I got 3 in 1. It can actually be a jacket, or it could be a 3/4, or it could be a full length coat, like what you are seeing. This is what it's looking like. And it comes with a hood. And what I love about my coat additionally is when the hubs purchased it for me, he put the little acronym in there. And this is Shmily, S-H-M-I-L-Y. And you know what that stands for? See how much I love you. Adorable. So I tell y'all what, keep watching this vlog as I take you along to this fabulous birthday party. Let's go. So I want to share with you all this bob style wig I decided to wear that received a lot of raving positive responses throughout the night. I kid you not, this got a lot of positive reviews. So I'm gonna get out of here because even though I got on this fur coat, it's a little bit brick outside. But I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.
She's gonna come out of the house like this. It's just Monday.
Yeah, just a Monday.
Right, just a Monday.
Just a Monday.
Just go to the grocery store.
Getting the day started, setting the tone.
You know, stop saying and saving an outfit for when you're going somewhere. Because every day when you leave out your door, you're going somewhere.
That's right.
So, glam it up.